Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yellow, aka Simply Noni. In this channel we'll talk about things concerning natural hair, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, DIYs, and a lot of other things that could come. So don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So in today's video, we are going to be making a simple DIY deep conditioner that will help to moisturize your hair. As in, this deep conditioner is very moisturizing. Like, you can see your hair, and it will help to keep your protein and moisture. It will help to keep your protein and moisture on a balanced level. So I'm going to be showing you how I make this. Is what I've been using. I was not using it. I discovered it. That was about last year. That was when I discovered it, because after I had my baby, my hair started reacting differently to the things I was used to on the hair. So I started trying out I'm the kind of person that like to try out so many things, and I upload videos about things that I've tried that works for me. So hopefully it will work for you. And another thing, when you don't need to use all the things I'm doing on the all the things that I upload. Just find out what works for you and stick to it. So I've been using this when my hair started reacting differently to the products, my previous regimen. I started trying out so many things to see what works, what will help to keep my hair moisturized. So I tried out so many things, and this is the best of all the recipes that I've tried. So this video is a tested and trusted recipe that could moisturize your natural hair. It will keep your hair moisturized. It will help to balance your moisture and protein. It will help to you will not feel dry. Your scalp will not feel dry. It will not dry out your scalp. And you know, when your hair is moisturized, its breakage reduces, and if it's not breaking, the hair will grow. So everything I share is what I have tested, and it worked for me. Hopefully it will work for you. So if you like the sound of that, let's jump into the video. Let me share this little secret of mine. Okay, well, it's no longer a secret now. Little secret of mine. But the method we'll be using is this hair mayonnaise, black castor oil, peppermint oil, and tree oil, and our DIY Ayurveda soap. Then we'll be adding honey. We'll just measure out the quantity of the hair mayonnaise that you need. It depends on the volume or the thickness, density of your hair. So you can add more, you can add less. But me, I like my own to be a little runny while I'm using it. I don't like it to be very thick, so I'll use the oil to lighten it up. So we'll be adding 1 spoon of our Ayurveda oil. The link to this oil, I will leave it in the description box. We'll add 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, few drops of tea tree, and a few drops of peppermint oil to it. Then give it a good stir to make sure all the ingredients are well mixed. Turn it very well so it will come out very creamy, and you will see that the whole oil and everything that was added in it is well mixed. So I've already shampooed my hair now, so it's time to deep condition my hair. I'll just apply it to my wet hair. Damp. I like to apply it to a very wet hair. If there is no water in my hair, I'll pour more water, because when it's lighter, I observe it penetrates the hair faster and well. So it will enter very well. It will penetrate very well. But once the hair is a little dry, the conditioner will sit on top of the hair. And another thing I used to do before I apply my deep conditioner is I used to put it in hot water so that it will warm up, because I have low porosity hair. So most times, for me to get moisture into my hair, the product has to be warm. So I'll put it in hot water for it to be warm. Once it warms up, and then I will now use it on my hair, I'll use warm water to sprinkle on my hair. Or if I just washed my hair the way I just did now, I'll make sure I use hot water to wash the hair, and then make sure my hair is well drenched in water before applying the deep conditioner. I don't usually clean my hair when I want to apply the deep conditioner. Even along the line, I used to add more water to make the conditioner to enter to penetrate hair well into the hair. So you can see how I'm doing it. I'll just put it and massaging, and massage the hair very well, then slightly detangle, slightly use my hand to detangle the hair very well so that it doesn't tangle up. I just finished rice water, so I like to detangle my hair very well whenever I do rice water. I like to detangle my hair very well. So I detangling the hair now. If I detangle each session, I will twist it up and continue another session. So you can see how the hair is coming out now, is getting moisturized, and make sure you coat your whole strand with the deep conditioner so that every strand will benefit from this goodness that you are feeding others. So try to detangle the hair while in shower, while your hair is well wet, while your hair is very wet, so that it will make it easier to detangle. That is what I do most of the times. I don't usually wash my hair with comb. I used to wash my hair with comb, but when I started trying finger detangles, and I noticed a huge difference in hair shedding after wash hair shedding. So I decided, that was when I made up my mind not to use comb to wash my hair again. So I slightly detangle the hair with my hand. Then make sure the conditioner penetrates all the hair strand, and then make sure it gets to every hair. Then I will slightly massage the hair with the tips of my finger to make sure the conditioner gets to the roots of the hair. You can see how I'm doing it. I've finger detangled it. You can see, just trying to comb it out with my fingers to help anywhere that is very strong. I will gently open it up until my finger can pass through it. So after this, you just need to cover up your hair with a nylon bag, supermarket bag, whichever bag. If you have a steamer, wow, that would be better. Just steam up your hair for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, if you can 1 hour, but I did mine for like 30 minutes because I had other things I needed to attend to. So after that, you just moisturize your hair. This is the way, you can see the way I'm moisturizing my hair with just oil, my herbal oil. That's what I'm using to moisturize my hair. My Ayurveda oil, that's the only thing I'm using to moisturize my hair. You can see the only thing I use, another thing I usually do is to add aloe vera, do aloe vera leave-in conditioner before moisturizing the hair. But in this video, I'm not adding aloe vera deep conditioner because I just want you guys to see, how moisturizing the hair can be with this deep conditioner. So you can just see for yourself that the hair is the nature of the hair is back. That is the 4C hair nature is back. You can see how moisturizing the hair looks. So this is all I do when I use this deep conditioner. So I just do that and twist it up and wear my satin bonnet, and voila. So the twisting, I'm not really doing a very neat. I just want to do jumbo twist just to make sure the hair doesn't tangle up, because if you leave your after wash day and you don't twist up your hair will tangle up and it will shrink, thereby making it difficult for you to comb the hair. You need to like start another long process of detangling and all that before you be able to comb the hair, which is a lot of work. But if it's twisted up like this, when you want to re-moisturize the hair, or probably want to comb the hair that day, it will not be difficult because the hair is not in its shrinking phase or stage. It will not be shrunken, so it will be easier for you to manage the hair like that, the way it is. But if you leave it after moisturizing and you leave it like that, it will just go back. While the hair is wet, it will just shrink back to its original state. So this is how I keep my hair semi-stretched each time I wash my hair. It's not like it's going to stretch out the hair very, but this is semi-stretch. If you want to have a proper stretch, you can use a thread, or maybe you can blow dry. But me, I don't use blow dry, so I use thread to stretch the hair out. And so after that, I'll just twist the hair up, and that's all I do. How I do this deep conditioner, you can see the hair, how it is shining. So this is the final look. So that is it, guys. This is the deep conditioner. You can customize it to your own taste. You can add any oil of your choice depending on your hair needs at the moment. This that I use is what my hair really needs. Because I did rice water. Anytime I do rice water, I use rice water to wash my hair. This is how I used to balance the hair back, to help my hair get retain moisture, and make my hair not and help my hair not to dry out from the effect of the rice water. So this recipe has been helpful, and I'll keep doing it, and I'll keep uploading more recipes that I have tried that works for me, or that works for me. Hopefully it will help you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click notification, give a comment on the comment section, like this video so it can reach more people and help more people to see this video. Please, thank you so much for your support, and I'm glad you like this video.